Good evening, everybody, and welcome to Jewelz by Natalie. My name is Natalie Rosie, and we've got some cute and affordable $8 copper earrings tonight. We're going to show all fabulous $8 earrings. Shipping is $6.55 flat rate up to $100, and then it is free shipping after that. And for every 10 pieces you order, you get one for free. We're going to show 10 earrings tonight for a quick speed sale of fabulous copper earrings. We're going to start with number 301. Just comment 301 if you want this beautiful pair of earrings. She's a cute copper earring with fabulous butterfly wings. Then you're going to have 302, which is going to be another little spiky copper. It's going to be a darker copper with some white designs of stones in there. A nice lightweight earring. 303 will have a nice post with a cute, almost milky, reflective pearl on the bottom, on the top, and then you're going to have the fun copper chain at the bottom. It is a more medium weight earring, but it's a cute little post. 304, this is going to be actually a shockingly heavier earring. I do have this in a darker metal. This one's going to be almost a 3D shape. It's kind of similar to a locket. Does not open or close, but it's very, very cute. Also very dainty, just a little bit heavier. 305 is also going to be another heavier earring. It's going to have your loop. You will have the little studs on the outside as an accent. Very cute. And again, once again, she's very heavy with 305. 306 is going to be more of a medium weight earring. She's going to be a double movable earring. It's really cool. You're going to have all that gorgeous texture in there. Super cute. I love those. And those are going to be on the medium weight side, number 306. 307, my friends, is going to be a fun copper hoop post back earring. You're going to have the orange, you're going to have the copper. You see this little copper bead here. You're going to have the purple and then the turquoise crackled stone at the bottom. Very lightweight and super cute. Hello, Miss Rhonda. How are you, my gorgeous friend? We're doing a quick speed sale. Thanks for being here. Make sure that you hit that arrow and share us out. Don't forget to invite your friends to like and follow the business page. Thank you so much, my friend. I really appreciate it. 308, my friends. These are like literally my top favorite, number one of all pieces ever. These are going to have your copper scales. Look at how cute these are. You can even see around the outside of each of the rings. It's like an iridescent design. Thank you for the love in the corner, my friends. I appreciate you. Go ahead and comment number 308 for these extremely lightweight, movable, flexible earrings. They're so freaking cute. Number 308. 309 will have your fabulous hoop. It's going to be in a square design, super cute post back, and I believe I've only got one of that one left. 309. Our last earring tonight, my friends, thank you so much for hanging out with me tonight, is going to be number 310, 310. Very large and in charge, and they do have the same little stud design, kind of like the 305 earring. They are also extremely heavy with that nice fun texture. Super cute for that fall and summer vibe, my friends. Number 310. If you see any of these gorgeous beauties that you just cannot live without, go ahead and comment the number to claim, my friends. I will be getting text alerts and email alerts started very soon. I am still working through how to work on that with my business page, so keep your eyes peeled. Thank you guys so much for being here. Again, comment the numbers to claim if you would like to do a virtual private party. Please let me know. There's lots of beautiful pieces I've got here for $8. Again, $6.55 flat rate shipping up to $100, then it's free. And then for every 10 pieces you order, you get one for free. Have a fabulous night, my friends. And as always, my dears, stay fabulous.